This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
Yes, ma'am. I'm proud to say actually the NBI came here last month. Kinausap ko na rin si Sec Vince Dizon. And even if it was not a requirement with the DPWH, ang sistema natin dito sa First District ay ang mga mayor ay kinakuusap ang mga kapitan. Ang mga kapitan na nagsasabi ano man ang mga prioridad sa kanilang mga bayan, sa kanilang mga barangay, binibigay po nila in documented form para documented lahat, binibigay nila sa mayor for approval. And then yung mga ina-approve ni mayor, binibigay sa akin, and then I then submit it to the district engineer for validation. It then goes to the central office where it is then submitted to planning. But dito, sa Primero Distrito, may proseso po tayo kung paano man ang implementasyon ng mga iba't ibang proyekto. Of course, my job as a lawmaker is not just to make laws, but of course, ipaglaban din ang mga nangangailangan ng ating mga constituents in terms of projects. But in any case, everything is accounted for, everything is listed, and there is all the documentary evidence is all there. So I indicated to Sec Vince and whoever might be interested that maraming mga fake news ngayon, maraming mga umiikot. But my conscience is clear because I have nothing to hide. So people are more than welcome to check.
Sir, yung mga flood control na nasira but not under your administration, sir, paano yung gagawin natin mga?
Well, okay. I'm glad you asked that. Meron mga flood control na nasira lalo na sa Vintar. Those flood controls were implemented before I was congressman during the period of 2019 to 2022.
Yes.
Nakita ko yung line item dun itinayo lalo na dun sa not sa isik-isik sa Alcem. And kita, grabe. Because nung nasira, nakita mo yung loob, hollow siya. And I think that was a project from 2018, if I'm not mistaken, or 2019. So we will do everything we can to repair those flood control projects. Pero sa mga tao dyan na nagsasabi, proyekto ko yan, I want to make it clear, that is not my project. The first project that I had here were the solar lights. Nakailang bagyo na tayo, may nasira bang solar light? Wala pa. So, we make it a point here to make sure that everything, again, is accounted for and up to the standard that our Kakayalians deserve.
Sir, may